Let's allow users to upload their avatar. With Apollo Server, we can do that effortlessly, since Apollo Server has built-in support for file upload. And it even comes with a custom scalar called upload, which will contain details about the file to be uploaded. For storing the files, we will be using a service called Cloudinary, and we will be uploading the file directly to Cloudinary and saving the URL to the file in our database. So let's start with defining the schema. Upload avatar. This will accept the file, which we'll call avatar, and it will be the type of upload, which is provided to us by Apollo Server. Then we want to return back the user. Next, let's create the reservoir function. I'm going to collapse this and this. Apollo Server will return the selected file as a promise, which contains a bunch of details about the file, such as the file name, the mem type, and create read stream. For our use case, we will be using just the create read stream, so we need to extract it from the object, that is, create read stream equals await avatar. Using create read stream, we will stream the file directly to Cloudinary. That means we need to install the Cloudinary Node.js SDK. Once that is installed, we can pull in the package. And we want version 2 of the SDK. Next, we need to configure Cloudinary with our details. So, Cloudinary .config. This will accept an object containing the config details, such as the cloud name, our API key, and API secret. Instead of hard-coding the values here, we will store them in environment variables. So you can say process.env.cloud name, process.env.api key, then lastly process.env.api secret. Let's create these variables. Now we need to log into our Cloudinary account to get these details. I already have an account and I'm already logged in. If you don't have an account, you can create a free one. On the dashboard, you will find your account details. So we are going to copy this. And this. Then I will enter my cloud name. Save. Now we can upload the file. Since streaming directly to Cloudinary is an asynchronous operation, we need to wrap it in a promise and await it. That is, await new promise. Then resolve and reject. Now we can make use of the create read stream. Create read stream dot pipe. Then we'll use the Cloudinary SDK to upload the stream. Cloudinary dot uploader dot upload underscore stream. This will accept a function, which will be an arrow function. Then we get the error and the result. So if there is an error while uploading the file, we reject the promise, then pass along the error. Otherwise, we resolve the promise with the result. So we can wrap this in a try catch block. If the promise is rejected, we throw an error. With the message, there was a problem uploading your avatar. But if the promise is resolved, we'll save it in a variable called result, which will contain the details of the file that was uploaded to Cloudinary. So all we need to do now is update the user details in the database with the path to the uploaded file. So first we get the user. Then await user.update. Then we update the avatar with the path to the uploaded file, that is result.secure_URL. And that is all we need to do to allow user to upload their avatar. So let's test this out. So far, we have been using GraphQL Playground to test our GraphQL server. But when it comes to uploading files, we can't use GraphQL Playground because as at the time of recording this course, GraphQL Playground does not allow file uploads. So we need to make use of another GraphQL client, which will allow us test file uploads. And the GraphQL client we'll be using is called Altair, which is available for all platforms such as web and desktop. You can download the one that you prefer. So I already have it installed and open on my Mac. As you can see, it's a bit similar to GraphQL Playground. I'm going to sign in. Then grab the token, and set headers, which should be authorization, bearer, then the token. Save. Now let's upload an avatar. Mutation, then upload avatar. Because we want to make use of variables, we are going to name this particular mutation operation. Say avatar upload. Then this will accept a variable called avatar, which will be the type of upload. So yeah, we can make use of the variable. Then this will return back the user. So we get the username and the email, then the avatar. This is required, so we add the exclamation mark. So now we need to define the variable. So we could have just defined the variable like this, then say something. But since this is for a file upload, we'll make use of this instead. So the name must be avatar, which is same as the variable name. Then we can choose a file. Then we can send the request. Oops, there was a problem uploading your avatar. Let's see. Sorry, this should be authUser.id. And also we forgot to return back the user. There we have it. This user has successfully uploaded an avatar.